Hi friends, now we are going to discuss about the shaft option in the sketch based features. The shaft is used to revolve the object in 360 degrees, okay, by giving this enter axis as the references. So for that I am drawing a sketch in ZX plane, okay. So taking a rectangle and draw a rectangle, specify the dimensions 50 and 25. Just exit from the workbench. Now select the tool axis shaft, and in this it is asking for the selection. The selection of the profile is the rectangle, and it next is asking for the axis, in which axis the object should be rotated. So just select the axis and the vertical axis, so from that point it should be rotated. And coming to the limits, so limits are the angles. The sum of first angle and third angle should be equal to 360 degrees. So I am giving the first angle as 360 and second angle as 0. The sum of first angle is second angle is 360. So just click on preview so that the object is rotated in 360 degrees. Okay. Next, suppose I am giving the first angle as 120 and second angle as some 85. So the sum of first angle and third angle is 120 plus 85 is like this. So in the first limit the angle is up to 120, and in second angle the angle is up to 85. So up to that angle the object will be shafted, okay, like this. And next, coming to the option in the shaft definition, there is a thick profile, means there will be open from the inside like this. Just give thick profile, just tick on the thick profile option and click on preview. There will be a thickness of the profile, so that thickness can be shown in the thick shaft. Thickness 1 is 1 mm and thickness 2 is 0 mm. Now I am increasing the thickness to value to 1, 2. So like this the thickness is increased. Thickness 1 is referred to the inner thickness, whereas the thickness 2 is referred to the outer thickness. Okay, so this is about the thick profile in the shaft. If you want, you can make it to neutral, or you can unequal the thickness length. Okay, so this is about the shaft. Okay, so depending by giving the center axis, the object will be revolved in particularly to that axis. Okay, so next in shaft, now I'm going to deleting this shaft. Okay, there will be a sketch. So in that sketch I'm doing some modifications. Okay, just deleting this vertical and drawing a line away from the axis. Okay, like this the object is drawn. Now the object will be rotated with respect to the axis, and the gap in between will be retained as gap only. Okay, just exit from the sketcher. Now click on shaft option, select the profile. Okay, and selecting the axis, we can select the axis by using this X and Y, or we can select the axis by right clicking, select the X axis. So in X axis the object will be rotated like this. Okay, next, or else we can give the Y axis. In Y axis we cannot get the axis because it is intermingled in between, so we cannot get the shafted object in this axis. Okay, whereas in Z axis the object is rotated, and the object which there is a gap, it is remained as a gap in between. Okay, and it is rotated in 360 degrees. Okay, like this the object is shafted with reference to the central axis. Okay, so this is about the shaft. Next, coming to groove. Shaft is used to get the object getting a material in 360 degrees, whereas coming to groove, it is used to remove the material in a specified angle. Okay, So for that I am taking one plane. Draw a sketch of closed figure or open figure. Okay, just draw the sketch. Now I need to make the circle center point coincide with the end lines of this shafted object. So for that I need to project these edges. So going 3D geometry and select the project 3D slot edges and select the edges until the object endpoints are projected. So select the this end line and convert this line into constructor element by selecting. So it is converted into constructor element. Now select the center point and this line. Select the center point and this line by using control and go to constant definition and make it to constant. So like this the object is coincide with the edges of this shafted object. Now give the dimensions and make it to constraint in vertical direction. So make the constraint of center point with the horizontal axis. Select the center point and the horizontal axis at a certain distance. So it is constraint. And just exit from the workbench. Now I need to make a groove of this profile in 360 degrees, that is removing of the material. Just click on the groove tool, select the profile and select the axis. In which axis it should be revolve. So we need to remove the axis, remove the material in this direction. So we need to select this axis, so that axis can be seen in the axis can be seen from this compass. So that is the Z axis. So this is the Z axis. So select the Z axis. This is the Z axis. And the angle I have given is first angle is 360 and second angle is 0. So in 360 degrees the object is removed. So just click on preview. Okay, so like this the object is removed in 360 degrees. Okay, if you want to you can change the angle also. Just I am giving the angle as 120 first angle. Second angle I am giving it as 50. So total is 170. So up to 170 the object is removed. Okay, so in this direction it is 170. So I need to get in opposite direction. So for that just reverse direction. So in this direction the object is removed. Okay, so just now changing some modifications in the group in sketch. Draw a rectangle. Okay, 1 second. So take the rectangle option and draw a rectangle here. Okay, just remove the so draw a object like this. So this is the somewhat close profile I have drawn. Now I need to make a draw of this object. So just exit from the sketch so that in that profile the object is removed. Okay, like this. And now I'm giving the groove angle is up to 360. Second angle is 360 and second angle is 0. So in 360 degrees the object is removed. So like this we can add or remove any object according to our specified angle. Okay, so in the first, when in sketch based feature, the first is the pad. It is used to add the material in specified direction, whereas the pocket is used to remove the material. Shaft, it is used to add the material in 360 degrees. Groove, it is used to remove the material in specified direction by referring the center axis or axis plane. So remaining Coming to hole, rib or slot will be discussed in the next class. And meanwhile, some of the examples of the pad, pocket, groove, shaft will be discussed. Please go through it. Thank you.